Having car insurance for your vehicle is not an option because most states mandate that you carry a minimum amount of insurance for your vehicle. In other words, this is a necessary expense, so it is important that you find the most affordable car insurance possible so you can save money. Why you need car insurance? Not only do you need car insurance because it is mandatory, you also need it in order to protect yourself. If you were in an automobile accident without any insurance and the accident was your fault, you could be sued. In order to compensate the victim for the damage done, you could lose your assets. Your assets include any other vehicles you may have, your home, and your property. With insurance, you are able to protect your assets. You also need to have adequate insurance. This means having enough protection to cover damages in the case of a car accident. For example, the damages in an accident that was your fault may total $25,000. If you only have $20,000 in coverage, you will be held liable for the other $5,000. Another reason why you need car insurance is because you can protect your vehicle against damage inflicted beyond your control. For instance, a hailstorm may cause thousands of dollars in damages. You can make a claim to your insurance company and have the repairs paid for. Without insurance, you would have to pay for the damages out of your pocket. Lastly, not having car insurance can result in the loss of your license. If you are pulled over for speeding or another traffic offense and can't provide proof of insurance, this secondary offense can cause your license to be suspended. Understanding affordable car insurance. When you are buying affordable car insurance, you have to understand it. First, you have what is called a deductible. This is how much money you are willing to pay out of pocket in the case of an accident. There are times when the deductible may need to be paid and times when it may not need to be paid. If you are involved in an accident that is not your fault, you will not have to pay your deductible because the other party's insurance will pay for it. If you drive into your garage door and damage your car, then you will need to pay your deductible when you make a claim. There are different levels of deductibles that you can opt for. Know, however, that the higher the deductible, the lower your insurance premium is going to be. If you choose a $500 deductible, your premium is going to cost more than if you had a $1,000 deductible. Just make sure your deductible is one that you can afford if the unexpected were to happen. Another item you must be aware of is the fact you must ensure you have enough coverage in the various areas of your policy. For instance, your policy has bodily injury coverage. This means that you are compensating the injured party for their bodily injury up to a certain amount. Keep in mind that medical expenses are very high. If you opt for $15,000 in bodily injury coverage, the minimum in some states, know that many times medical costs can exceed this depending on the severity of the injury. Lastly, there are various options you can add to your policy if you find them necessary. Nevertheless, ensure that you are not adding anything that you don't need. Then again, make sure you are providing yourself with adequate coverage. If you want to add the rental car option onto your policy, then you may do so. Keep in mind, however, that you may never use it. Don't pay too much. Fortunately, there are ways in which you can secure affordable car insurance and have enough coverage. There are those jewels in the insurance world that offer you the right coverage for the right price. Here is how you can find them. 1. Compare insurance rates online and in your local area. Do this by obtaining quotes. You can call your local insurance companies or go to their websites and the websites of companies outside of your local area to see if they have a quote tool. This is a tool that enables you to enter your vehicle information, demographics, and what kind of coverage you're looking for. 2. Think about how much you may need. You may need to determine the minimum amount of coverage required in your state and take it from there. The minimum amount is usually not enough. 3. Ask about car insurance discounts. There are good driver discounts for those not in accidents, Good student discounts if you have a student on your policy who is maintaining good grades, discounts for college students, and discounts for carrying multiple policies with the same company, affordable car insurance, life insurance, homeowners insurance, etc. 4. If you talk to the car insurance company personally, let them know that you are looking for the most affordable car insurance and inform them that you are comparing companies. You may tell them how many companies you are comparing so that they will compete for your business. 5. Don't forget that you can adjust your deductible to change the cost. Ask for quotes on different deductibles. 6. You may ask the opinion of each affordable car insurance company you find in regards to how much coverage they think is necessary. You can read a lot into their response by seeing if they simply want the most money out of you or if they are truly interested in saving you money. Compare their responses. Ahmed has worked with a number of car insurance companies online. He has been an insurance consultant for a while as well. His suggestions might give any car insurance seeker a run for her money. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.